Hi guys, it is Saturday morning. It is bright and sunny. The first thing I do, of course, is brush my teeth, change, and open up my bedroom curtain and make the bed and get ready for the day. Then I come downstairs. I like to open my dining room so the sun can get in. It's a big, huge doors, and it is so bright and sunny outside, and I want this to come inside the kitchen just for some energy. It is absolutely gorgeous day outside. I like to have my coffee first thing in the morning. Yes, I do have a cup of warm water before my coffee every morning. Then I sit down and read and answer your sweet comments. So normally, like my weekdays, I just eat like whatever for breakfast. I'm not gonna go make egg sandwiches or anything specific for breakfast. But it's Saturday, bright and sunny again. One of those days that brings me like lots of energy. So I did like lots of shopping yesterday. My grocery shopping. I went to my just my butcher store and bought a lot of meat and chicken, and planning on the week ahead for what I am going to make. And also I bought some samosa at the Indian store, and so I bought a little extra on purpose because I had a plan today on making some Punjabi style or Indian style, whatever you wanna like say or call it, samosa that eat with chole. So when I see this dish, it just make me like crave. So I went downstairs in my closet, in my kitchen closet, and I see a bunch of these chickpea. I try to look for my dry chickpea, like just to soak it overnight so I can make it today, like fresh chickpea boil and make. But I don't know if maybe I don't have any, because I don't remember if I ran out. Maybe I can't find it, something like that. So I have like 4 cans. So I'm gonna like make little extra also for the week, because it's good to have extra food, so then after work I don't have to go crazy in the kitchen. And I forget to buy fresh tomatoes, so I'm gonna use canned diced tomatoes. So we are going to make chole or chickpea curry that I am going to have for breakfast with samosa. The oil is preheating. I'm gonna add some cumin, bay leaf, and then onion. I'm just gonna cook this onion until you can do it translucent. I wanna have it with a light brown color. So a little light brown color, and now I'm gonna add store-bought ginger and garlic paste and the can of diced tomato. I'll do 2 tablespoons, actually a little bit more, because I'm using 4 cans of chickpea. The can is small, but still that's a lot, 4 cans. I'm gonna saute this all together for like 2-3 minutes. Looking good. I like this reddish color. Guys, I'm holding the camera by hand right now. Hopefully I'm not moving. Okay, so next I'm gonna add garam masala. You can add any spice you want here, but I'm just gonna use like garam masala alone. So that was like 3 teaspoons. And then since I like it spicy a lot, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons chili powder, like really hot. And then turmeric. And we're gonna give it a mix. Now you can see everything is dry. That's okay. Later on we're gonna fix that. Right now I'm gonna add some potatoes that I have cut into small little cubes. I'm gonna stir that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water and let this cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. Okie dokie. Now I'm gonna add my chickpeas. I have drained the water and rinsed it, and then I'm gonna give it a mix. And now I want this to cook together, the potatoes, the chickpeas, the masala, the spices, cover. I'm gonna add more water until everything comes to a soft chickpea. So last night the samosas that I bought, I bought actually 5, so I eat like 1 and John had 1 already. So this 3 left, I'm gonna put that in the oven and let it heat up. I don't want to put that in the microwave, so it's just gonna be like soft, and I don't want that. So even though this was in the fridge, you can still hear the crunch. It's like still crispy, but I'm still gonna heat it in the oven. Chickpea is ready. So what I have done is take like half from this pot, like less than half, and then I use a fork to mash it a little bit. So that's why the potatoes are disappear, because they are like mashed in this, so that way we get a like thicker chole, thicker chickpea. What did you say?
Why does samosa taste better today?
Because I put it in the oven.
So good.
So you're not going to eat the way I am going to eat.
Why are you eating it?
I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of break the samosa, I guess. I've never eat like that, but and then I'm gonna add my chickpea. My mouth is watering.
On top?
Inside I break it half with my spoon, and I'm adding the chickpea, and then some onion.
What the heck?
Yeah, and a green chili. I switch the camera here. You guys can see outside, it's bright and sunny.
Freezing cold.
Freezing cold.
So cold.
I'm excited. I'm gonna go have my breakfast, and then we'll see you soon. Breakfast was so yummy. 2 samosas and chickpeas, lots of protein. I am full right now, good for all day, and now I'm gonna go do some grocery shopping. I already got my meat and chicken yesterday, but now I have to get some fruits, some vegetables, whatever I need, some snacks, some probably leftover spices that I need for the week. And then week is done. Then I'm just gonna be relaxing, and probably tomorrow I'm thinking of making a biryani, like beef biryani. So I'm just gonna remove my meat to today, so that it can be defrost. Has been already cut in big chunks, just the way I like it for biryani. And then yeah, I'm gonna soak it in warm water and let it be in the fridge for like a while, until all those blood come out from the meat. So then I can marinate the meat. Like the beef recipe is already posted on my YouTube channel. Already here, I can send the link down below for you guys if you haven't seen the beef biryani recipe yet. And yes, I did make the version of the pressure cooker as well. Just a regular outfit for the day. Simple sweatshirt and a tie. I'm gonna wear my shoes, my runner, downstairs. For today, we're gonna stop right here, and thanks for joining me, and for your help and support by subscribing in my channel. And that's it, you guys. Like, weekend is here, like time to relax. Until next time, bye bye.